sisters, growing out from a pixie cut can be dirty work, but Soul Lady to the rescue. So let's check out what's in the bag. The 16-inch Jerry Curl Headband Wig. It's got combs inside, a back strap. Y'all, let's try this bad boy on, and we're gonna shake it out too. Y'all, I'm not braiding my hair. I'm sticking those combs underneath this wig strap. Okay, y'all, let's put this bad boy on. Let's see. Put this one over here. Pull it down. Put the back one on. And let's get to strapping. Oh, yeah. Let's get the strap on. Oh, it's going to look better than this because I will be combing it. Okay, so absolutely amazing. Right. Now this is another level stunning, honey. Baby. Look at this. You can't tell me nothing. And nobody has to know.